Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on crude oil. NYMEX crude oil price was moving in falling channel and given an upward trend line breakout indicates short-term trend is bullish. However, key resistance hold at $79.50 level and break above will surge the price further up till $82.50 and $85.70 level in near term. On the downside, key support hold at $76 level. The price indicator is bullish. MCX crude oil price had broken its important resistance of 6,600 level and started forming higher and higher low formation, signal upside move in near term. Crude oil price can surge up to its immediate target of 6,720 and 6,850 level in upcoming trading session. On the downside, key support hold at 6,480 level and break below will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.